Today's session is going to be anything but robotic, even though it's all about robots and virtual assistants. We're excited to welcome Mr. Anurag Upadhyay, a dynamic professional with over 13 years of experience in digital transformation, automation, and AI. He currently works as a program manager at Accenture, yes, that dream company for many of us, and has previously worked with global powerhouses like PwC, Wipro Digital, and HCL Technologies. Anurag isn't just building bots, he's building smarter customer experiences. From managing automation projects across the UK, US, and Europe to creating Vani, a chatbot designed to handle 250-plus categories, he's basically teaching machines how to be better at human conversations than some humans. He's also been instrumental in raising customer satisfaction by 48%, which is more than most students' attendance rates. And if that's not impressive enough, he's a TEDx speaker, winner of multiple project management awards, and holds a list of certifications long enough to make even your resume nervous to get ready for an engaging, insightful, and possibly chatbot-powered ride into the world of virtual assistants. Let's give a warm and very human welcome to Mr. Anurag Upadhyay. Good morning.